Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. We all love to have RoohAfza water in hot summer days. So today I am giving a nice tangy and a healthy twist to the normal RoohAfza water. We'll be preparing RoohAfza lemonade. It's a very simple recipe, but the flavors are so refreshing and the color looks so tempting that you are surely gonna try it once. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. So firstly, we'll take a tall glass like this. Into this, we'll pour 4 to 5 teaspoons of RoohAfza, or you can use rose syrup. Next, we'll squeeze in lemon juice. We'll add 2 lemon juice in it. After that, we'll add a pinch of salt, little bit of rock salt or kala namak, little bit of black pepper powder, kali mirch. We'll add some fresh mint leaves. Okay. We'll give everything a nice mix. Then we'll add few ice cubes. Here I am giving a very healthy twist to our drink today. I am adding these chia seeds. I have soaked 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water. You need to soak it for at least half an hour and then it will puff up. So we'll add 2 tablespoons full of chia seeds. Chia seeds are full of antioxidants, minerals, fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, and they are very healthy in promoting heart health, and it also supports strong bones. Finally, we'll top it up with soda. We'll give a quick stir. And finally, we'll garnish it with a slice of lemon and a twig of mint. So friends, here is our absolutely lip-smacking, nutritious, healthy, refreshing summer drink, RoohAfza lemonade, ready to serve. You will truly enjoy the flavors of this drink. So do give it a try. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.